Hi guys, welcome to Mrs. Senesac's classroom. Today we're going to talk about archetypes. So archetypes are the common characters and plots that you see over and over and over. They're the classics. The damsel in distress. There's the hero who has to go on the long journey. There's several different types of heroes that you see over and over and over, whether it's the wartime hero, the superhero, the anti-hero, the warrior, the Greek warrior, like in Hercules and Percy Jackson, and then you've got heroes that have magical powers. You've got the kick-butt female hero teaching us that women can do anything, the post-apocalyptic or apocalyptic hero. Think about where you've seen that and how many times have you seen that done over and over and over. Your typical character archetypes, so the maternal figure, the mother figure, it doesn't have to necessarily be the mom, right? Because Mrs. Weasley is a mother figure to Harry Potter. Then you've got the wise mentor that tends to be an older man, not always, but you get that type of character over and over. Just like Merlin and Dumbledore are just two examples of an archetype of that old wise wizard mentor, right? Then you've got like the hero of the story. Sometimes that hero is an orphan a lot of the times, and you see that person going through things over and over and over in different storylines, but in different ways, right? Because even though they're similar characters, they're the same archetype, they go through different events. Then you've got like the temptress that always is seen in literature. You've got the fool, the villain, the trickster, loyal champion, the best friend, you've got your Samwise Gamgees and your Ronald Weasleys that you see over and over and over. And then finally, plot archetypes that we see a lot are overcoming this monster. There's a monster that we have to battle, going from being super poor to super rich all of a sudden. How do you handle that? Maybe the storyline is that there's a quest and you have to complete the quest. Maybe you have to go on a long voyage like in the Odyssey and face lots of trials, and then return home to find things totally different. Rebelling against a evil power that's now in power. How do we fight that evil government or people in charge, like in the Hunger Games or Star Wars? Mysteries, comedies, those are genres, but there is a common archetype, like the Sherlock Holmes investigator. Batman is another example of the Sherlock Holmes archetype, and they have something to solve, something to be a detective and overcome for that storyline. The rebirth plot archetype is the I was once this person, something happens to me, and I'm essentially metaphorically reborn or literally reborn, and now I have a chance to do things over and do it right. As far as comedy archetypes go for plot, it's when you have this character, the main character, keeps going through things that are quite humorous throughout the entire story, and it's cute, it's fun, it's playful, and you just thoroughly enjoy it. Something like Flubber or Deadpool or Diary of a Wimpy Kid, Jumanji. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you liked below and what do you need to learn about. We are here at Chalk It Up to Crop, are experts in the English, so if you have any questions, please let us know.